Hi everyone. I wanted to replace my Amiga 500 keyboard with a mechanical one. I designed and ordered the PCB, and bought switches, connectors, and cables. After everything arrived, I assembled the PCB. Replacement is easy. First, remove the plastic top of Amiga. Unplug the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Remove the old keyboard and unscrew all the screws from the bottom of the metal plate. Remove top and membrane. Place the metal plate back. Place new keyboard and connect the cables to the keyboard controller. Amiga 500 was produced with two different types of keyboard, and I have both of them. Another type has only one connector between the membrane and the keyboard controller. You can see it on the screen now. Other than that, the membranes are electrically identical. So I designed the PCB which can replace both of these keyboards. The PCB has two smaller connectors for the first keyboard, and one wider connector for the second one. Now place the plastic top back and test all the buttons. Most of the Amiga keycaps are the same as the standard PC ones, so I used them for testing. However, some non-standard size Amiga keycaps require expensive molding. I could use smaller keycaps, and they would work. But it would look ugly. And I decided to try to raise funds via Kickstarter to make the molding. If the project funded successfully, all the keycaps will be correct size and with correct artwork. They will look nearly identical to the original ones. The keyboard will be compatible with both Amiga 500 and Amiga 1200. Keycaps will be made for UK, US and German layouts. Keyboards for Amiga 600 will be produced as well, since they use the same keycaps. Why replace the keyboard? Mechanical keyboard feels much better than original one. If your keyboard is broken, brand new keycaps to replace old yellow keycaps. The keyboard will have standard Cherry MX compatible switches. They are widely used in majority of the modern mechanical keyboards. Standard keycaps for the switches. Exception are few of the keys which are not standard length. Sockets for all of the switches. It means the switches are not soldered and can be easily replaced by you. Entire process takes less than 30 minutes and does not require any special skills. No soldering required.